if you want to know how popular the America's Cup and sailing is in New Zealand, you only have to see this. This is the traffic jam just to get back into the Viaduct harbour. No other marinas, not West Haven, not Half Moon Bay, not Gulf Harbour. This is just the Viaduct harbour. So you've got the it's going to be hours. I think it was about 9 o'clock last night before everyone got back in. That's the main sponsors yacht out there, Matteo Tenora's Imagine. They're even having to wait, so I think they're going to get priority now, but cannot describe to you the number of boats. I think today, seeing on the TV, I'd be pretty certain they're over the 10,000 mark in total out there on the water today at the weekend. Just look at it. I love New Zealand. That's why I came here, sailing and Kiwis. That's Matteo Tenora's boat Imagine, to New Zealand's main sponsor.